Hey you guys, I'm Julie, Fei-Fan Balzer, and today I want to show you how to clean the scanner glass on your ScanNCut DX. Something is wrong over here. There's part of the design is like just cut off. Do you see that? So I suspect there's something on my scanner glass. So let's take a look. So when I clean the scanner glass, I want to eject the mat. I want to remove anything that's in this tray and store it away, and also anything that's in the little cup area. Close this up, turn off my machine, close the screen, and then I'm going to flip the machine over. You can also unplug the machine if you want to be super safe. Now, here on the bottom of the machine, you can see this is the platen that comes in and out. Well, there's a little lever right here on the right side. And if I pinch this and pull on the platen gently but firmly, you'll see the whole thing comes out. So let's take a look at the scanner glass. Now I can see that a piece of tape got stuck on here, but sometimes you'll open it up and there's nothing there and you can't figure out what the problem is. In that case, you want to use a soft cloth and you just want to clean. You want to avoid trying to put any liquid or water or anything like that in here. But just a soft cloth to clean it out. There could be a hair, there could be, you know, just some dust. Even a little dust particle could make a big difference. Then when you're ready, you can take that platen and simply reinsert it, and now your scanner's closed up. You can of course pull it out of the back if you need to. We're going to plug the machine back in, flip it over, flip up the screen, turn it on, and we can try this again. Much better. You can see I don't have a void. There's no line running through here. It looks great. So I can just drag in my arrow and my scan is ready to go. So this is what I scanned, and I turned it into a stencil. You can see that I just kept duplicating and rotating. I welded the design in some places, and then that stencil became all of these really pretty painted papers. It's amazing what you can do with a scanner. Just change a simple drawing into a stencil and so much more. Thanks so much for watching. For more tips, tricks, and tutorials, be sure to visit my blog at balzerdesigns.typepad.com, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course, don't forget about the ScanNCut website at ScanNCut.com.